Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Visio. In this module I want to show you how to create a cause and effect diagram. So on the screen you can see I've got one already set up. So this is what I want to do. I'm just going to recreate this from scratch so you can see how it is used. Just do Control N to get myself a new one. So when you select the cause and effect diagram from the templates, if I just go up there, File, New, you've got this option and you can click on this and create, and it drops it on the screen already with the causes in position. Now if you don't want that as a start point, just delete that and create your own. So basically your stencil on the left has got all the shapes that you need. So I just bring the main one on, that's the effect. So this is going to be what has caused a loss of customers. So type that as the main effect. And then you've got different categories that you can add above or below. So just add a couple of categories on the top and a couple of categories on the bottom. They snap into position as you can see there. So let's just give some titles to this. So bad location is one reason, and this one can be takeaways, one reason, and pensioners is another reason, and the actual product selection or what's available is another reason. So those are your main categories. Now what you can do is add extra lines to them like this. So if I want to stick a secondary cause onto this, spin that round, so this is location. If I double click onto this, I can just give it a title, so no parking, or just parking even, is part of the reason. And if I do another one on the other side, just get it to stick in like that. So it's sometimes called a fishbone diagram, but this cause and effect is also used. So if I say there's no parking, bad location, no footfall, because it's round a corner and nobody can see it, so that's the reasons it's a bad location. Product, let's go for poor choice of product. So choice, and then let's go for on the other side. Doesn't really matter which one you pick of these, you can just position them anyhow, says me, just till they snap into place. Choice and quantity, so let's go for quantity. So that's that one. Then pensioners, so this is the age demographics. So let's say that initially lots of people used to use these type of shops, but dying off, so they're the main people that use this shop, now they're dying off. And let's have another one on the other side, so spin that round, and let's say another reason is supermarkets, supermarkets. Supermarkets, people are going to supermarkets instead of the local shops. And then the last set, let's go for this one, spin that round, takeaways, and this will be the biggest killer of all, deliveries. People don't even have to come out to the shops anymore, they can order a takeaway and it's delivered, and it's the reason why you lose customers. Now you've also got this fish frame. If I just pull this on, this just puts everything in a nice little frame for you, which you can colour in the line, change the line colour if you want to make it red, and you can add a couple of effects like shadow effects or something like that. That'll do. And there's your cause and effect diagram, which is now not sitting right because of that. Let's make it a little bit bigger. In fact, that's probably wants to go up, so it's got the point of the fish in line with that, which is just about. Now you can also put a background on this. So if I go to design, you've got backgrounds. I'll just show you a background. Make it blue. That'll do. And then you've got borders and titles. Let's put that one on. So when you put a border on in Visio, a background or a title, it goes as a separate page which you have to get into to edit it. So the title for this is loss of customers. So that's the title. It's already got the date on, and then you come back to page 1, and then you're looking for that title at the top there. Now because I've dropped this onto 2 pages, if I bring this down a bit, you can get it onto 1 page. The fish itself is a bit big still. It's about as small as I can get it without changing all of this. So basically that's a quick look at how to create a cause and effect diagram or a fishbone diagram. Very simple, very easy. You're just using it to work out or put some ideas down why you are losing customers, and these are what you have come up with. There was only 4 as default on this example, but you can have as many as you want as long as it doesn't get too complicated. But hopefully that was of use to you, and that's all I want to talk about in this little session. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.